Okay, so we continue trying to extract functionality to make our code more robust and reusable. So first we check the total with decimals, as we did before. From bytes. Okay. We know that the total with decimals is 467.95989 gigabytes. So we decide to create a method that will, a function that will return the gigabytes with decimal. Get gigabytes decimals, and we will get a float and we will return only one decimal position. And we will return float decimal position. Okay. So basically what we will do is like a round of the gigabytes round with one position. So we will expect, we expect to have 467.9. And this is all right, damn it. Okay, I have to do like this, get gigabyte decimals from this. Okay, total. So as we said, we expect this. So let's do something. Assert this from, let's use this number, because if we use the generic function, it will change in every computer. So if I do this, I expect 467.9. And let me run the tests to prove my point. Okay, assertion error, decimals gigabyte mismatch. And what happens? What happens is that round will give us an unexpected result. Oh yeah, as you can see here, rounding 467.95989 doesn't, rounding to one position doesn't return 467.9, but it rounds to 468.0. So what's the point? The point is that the code sometimes doesn't act as we expect, and we should be aware of those things. Because as we are not casting to that number of positions, we are rounding which makes it different. We have mathematic functions to truncate, for example. So this test reveals that we are not getting what we expect. So we should be aware of that, and then we should decide how we proceed in this case. If for us is good, is acceptable, or is not acceptable. And then the test should reflect this. So okay, I know if I put here this, it will pass the test, but it's okay to show to the user that we have 468 gigabytes when for real they don't have, only have 467 and almost but not for 468. That can be important, especially if we clone a drive, for example, and we need the exact space. For many reasons, it can be important. So in here we have to decide, and by having created functions and having created tests, we are seeing a problem that before, just with prints, we were not seeing.